Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I wanted to do a show and tell about my first plant-based meal that I cooked for the holidays. It's dairy free, it's meat free, it was delicious. I cooked mac and cheese, I cooked fried oyster mushrooms, I had Brussels sprouts. So I just wanted to show you guys, it isn't a recipe video, it's more of a show and tell video. But if you guys are interested in more plant-based recipes, then comment below. So one of the typical staples of a holiday meal is dressing. So I just made it plant-based. This is the cornbread that I use. I use Trader Joe's brand and I use Sprouts brand. Now, what did I do for the egg? I use flaxseed. Flaxseed is just going to hold everything together. It doesn't alter the taste. You can still add your vegan butter in there to make buttery, delicious cornbread. And it worked perfectly for my dressing. So for my cornbread dressing, I took vegetable broth, onions, celery, and a little rosemary, and I sauteed that in a skillet, and I poured it over in my cornbread, crumbled everything up together, and got it moist, and honestly added a little seasoning, and it tasted phenomenal. I'm telling you, it was so savory, it was so full of flavor, and I was not missing the meat at all. So for my sweet potato casserole, I kept it dairy free as well. I used vegan butter. I also used almond milk in preparation of it. Half of it had pecans and then the other half was regular. I love sweet potato casserole, so I just baked that alongside with my dressing. So for my green vegetable, I decided to do Brussels sprouts. I honestly did not like Brussels sprouts until I tried them with bacon. It was like Parmesan crusted bacon Brussels sprouts, and it was delicious. So I decided to veganize that. So I took some of this sweet earth vegan bacon, added onion, chopped that up, tossed my Brussels sprouts with olive oil and seasoned them. Got everything together, and then I sauteed my onions and bacon in a skillet, and then I added cream. I added some vegan Parmesan. Y'all, I kid you not, this tastes so good. It was so cheesy and savory, yet dairy free. Y'all gotta get into it. All right, y'all. So this is the part I was actually scared about, the mac and cheese, because I love mac and cheese. However, this brand of cheese, Follow Your Heart, is my favorite. It kind of reminds me of cheese, and so I use it in just about everything. So I boiled my noodles and I made me like a homemade cheese sauce by using cashew milk, seasoning, and then I added the Follow Your Heart cheddar. Once I made my sauce and got everything creamy and tasted, because that's what your mac and cheese is going to taste like, so you need to make sure it's good. I added in garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. It was amazing, y'all. I added in a little bit of rosemary to give it kind of like that, I don't know, that umami type taste. I don't know how you would describe it, but girl, your girl made vegan mac and cheese for the first time, okay? And I was proud of myself. So as we know, there are so many like vegan substitutes on the market. I was not in the mood for any fake turkeys or fake hams. I didn't want to try that this year. I saw everything that they had. I decided to go with fried mushrooms, okay? They were delicious. Fried them up like chicken. They went so well with my meal. When I tell y'all I was in a dairy-free, meat-free coma, the food coma was amazing. I have to give myself a pat on the back. This was my first time doing this. I didn't hesitate. I didn't say, well, I guess since I'm going plant-based that I'm not going to eat good. Y'all, I outdid myself and I'm only going to get better. This was delicious. Everybody enjoyed it. I had my dressing. I had my mac and cheese. Just everything that reminds you of a good holiday meal. I wanted to get this video out just in case for those who are just trying to simply make a vegan meal and try that out and add that into your weekly meals, or either trying to cook a meatless meal and need ideas for the holidays. Whatever it is, girl, I got you. I'm going to start doing more recipe videos. I know that this one was a show and tell, but I got y'all on the recipes if y'all want them. Comment below and just tell me what vegan item have you been wanting to try that I can definitely cook for you guys and give you guys a full recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this and happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video.
What? Thank you for watching ChubbyCheekz.
1, 2, 3. Come and get all this love. Come and get all this love. I'm talking about one-on-one. I'm talking about all you need. I'm talking about one-on-one.